Milliseconds separate wins from losses at the top level. In 2026, the best competitive gaming keyboards use analog Hall effect and optical switches, adjustable actuation, rapid trigger, and polling rates that standard mechanical keyboards simply cannot match. These 5 are the ones to know. Subscribe before we get into it. Razer Huntsman V3 Pro TKL. Terminal gamer called the Huntsman V3 Pro TKL 8 kHz, the fastest, most customizable off-the-shelf keyboard available for competitive gaming. At the core are Razer's analog optical Gen 2 switches, 0.1mm actuation precision, 8000 Hz polling rate, delivering 0.58 milliseconds reported latency, and rapid trigger that resets the instant you release a key rather than waiting for a traditional reset point. Windows Central confirmed you feel the difference in counter strafing and movement response versus 1000 Hz competitors. The brushed aluminum chassis weighs 720 grams, solid without being immovable, with double-shot PBT keycaps, a magnetic leatherette wrist rest, an on-the-fly actuation adjustment and profile switching requiring no software. The honest caveats from real-world testing. 15 to 30% of units have reported RGB coil whine, Valve has banned SnapTap on CS2 servers, and Synapse 4 has profile wiping bugs affecting some users. For Valorant, Apex Legends, and COD competitive players who want the absolute cutting edge of speed in a TKL package, the Huntsman V3 Pro TKL is the benchmark. All the links are in the description. Go check it out. Keychron Q1 HE. Games Radar called the Keychron Q1 HE one of the best sounding Hall effect boards they have tested, and Keyboard Tester, .Click's 2026 tested rankings, named it the best premium daily driver in the Hall effect category, calling it pro-grade competitive specs in a build that competes with custom keyboards costing $350 or more. The TMR-based Hall effect switches with 0.01mm rapid trigger sit inside a 6063 aluminum double gasket chassis with sound dampening layers. The result is a keyboard that is genuinely pleasant to type on all day, alongside its competitive gaming credentials. The Q1 HE supports QMK and VIA firmware for deep programmability, and the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle delivers latency indistinguishable from wired, a rare capability that makes it the only truly wireless-capable competitive option on this list. The Keychron Launcher web app handles configuration without software installation. The complex battery replacement process and heavier weight are the noted trade-offs. For players who want Hall effect, switch performance alongside a premium typing feel and wireless flexibility, the Q1 HE is the most well-rounded package available. ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296. PC Gamer called the ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless the best new gaming keyboard they had used in years. And CGA Magazine called it a product they are beyond thrilled to have in their setup. The 96% layout retains every key, including a numpad column, while shrinking the footprint to near TKL size. The practical sweet spot for gamers who need the numpad for macros, OBS scene switching, or work tasks without a full 100% keyboard taking desk space. Tri-mode connectivity covers 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired. Hot swappable pre-lubed ROG NX mechanical switches, silicone dampening foam, ROG optimized stabilizers, and PBT double-shot keycaps deliver a typing and gaming feel that competes with keyboards at double the price, particularly after Corsair and ROG both made stabilizer quality a priority in their 2024 and 2025 models. The ROG Strix Scope 296 does not use Hall effect switches. It is a premium mechanical keyboard rather than an analog one. For competitive gamers who want wireless flexibility, a full feature layout, and top-tier mechanical switch feel without the Hall effect premium, the Scope 296 is the most complete mechanical option on this list. Wooting 80 HE. ProSettings.net tracked 306 professional players using the Wooting 80 HE as their primary keyboard across CS2, Valorant, Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, and Apex Legends by early 2026, the highest pro player adoption of any keyboard on this list. PC Gamer named it the best Hall effect keyboard overall, calling it head and shoulders above the competition for ease of use and its utility software. Notebook Check called it near flawless and the gold standard for gaming keyboards. The Lecker V2 Hall effect switches with 8000 Hz polling, rapid trigger down to 0.1mm, snappy-tappy simultaneous directional input, and dynamic keystrokes, combine into the most refined competitive feature set available. The honest trade-off over the Keychron Q1 HE is build quality and missing features. No wireless, no aluminum chassis, and the plastic build feels utilitarian next to Keychron's premium construction. But one reviewer who tested it across 300 hours of competitive Valorant and CS2 confirmed it genuinely improved counter-strafing and double-tap speed in measurable ways. For competitive FPS players who want the proven, pro-adopted Hall effect standard with the best software in the category, the Wooting 80 HE is the recommendation. Corsair K65 Plus wireless. PC World called the Corsair K65 Plus wireless the new leader for 75% gaming keyboards, and Tom's Hardware called it the best 75% keyboard they had tested. A solid value at $159 that feels like a custom keyboard in the $300 plus range. Kit Guru scored it 9 out of 10, praising remarkable improvements to typing feel, acoustics, and stabilizer quality, the biggest criticism of previous Corsair keyboards, and calling it the best keyboard Corsair had produced in years. Tri-mode connectivity covers 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired with up to 266 hours battery life with RGB off. Hot swappable Corsair MLX red linear switches, PBT die, sublimated keycaps, a multifunction rotary dial, and IQE software integration for macros, and RGB cover everything a competitive streamer needs. Like the ROG Strix Scope 296, this is a premium mechanical keyboard, not Hall effect, and lacks adjustable actuation. The trade-off is value. No keyboard at $159 delivers this level of wireless performance, build quality, and switch feel simultaneously. For competitive gamers and streamers who want a clean 75% wireless daily driver with Corsair's ecosystem at the most competitive price on this list, the K65 Plus wireless is the pick. All the links and purchasing details for every keyboard on this list are in the description below. Those are your 5 best gaming keyboards for maximum competitive performance in 2026. From the Hall Effect Pro Standard used by 306 professional players to a wireless 75% mechanical that competes with $300 custom keyboards at $159. The right keyboard is the one built for how you play. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.